Record for the state.
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense.
Cheryl Patterson for the defense.
All right. And are you Destiny Argumeta?
No, ma'am.
Well, Amanda Destiny Argumeta. All right. I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke. I'm sorry.
Judge, really quickly, sorry to interrupt. Defense and I had spoken. I think defense had filed a motion for competency eval. That's what we wanted to approach on.
So where are we on the competency?
I filed the motion. I don't know that anything has happened.
All right. When was the motion filed?
I believe it was early part of last week.
Oh, there.
Right.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So it's been referred to magistrate's court. So, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset on this. Can you let the magistrate know that she doesn't need an informal inquiry, that she just needs an evaluation?
Your Honor, we'd actually, in speaking with the prosecutor and with my client, we'd actually like to withdraw that motion. We feel that she just did not understand the questions and was very nervous that day.
Okay. All right. We're on the record then.
Before we even get into the case itself, there's a procedural twist. Defense had filed for a competency evaluation, then suddenly wants to withdraw it, claiming their client was just nervous. The judge isn't buying a quick withdrawal that easily. Let's see if this case actually proceeds the way the defense hopes it will.
Are you Amanda or Destiny Argumeta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can look to your attorney. All right. Have you had a chance to discuss her and discuss your case?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you on probation for?
Unauthorized use of vehicle.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am.
No. Who is actually trying to prove that you violated the conditions of your probation?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
In school?
Ninth grade.
Okay. All right. You're on probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You understand, you told me you're on probation for an unauthorized use of a vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your range of punishment?
It was 2 years of probation and parenting classes.
All right. If I were to send you to prison or to the state jail facility, how much time could I give you?
It was 2 years.
Okay. So, with regards to this motion to revoke,
Yes, ma'am.
who has to prove to the court that you didn't do what you were supposed to do on a motion to revoke?
Myself.
I'm sorry?
Myself.
Yeah. I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So this is going to be set for evaluation. Ms. Ferguson, what date can we bring this back? We can do June.
And here's where things get genuinely concerning. When the judge asks basic questions about her own case, like who has to prove the violation, the defendant answers herself instead of understanding it's actually the state's burden. That confusion right there is exactly why an evaluation gets ordered. This isn't about punishment yet. It's about whether she even understands what's happening to her.
I can do June 15th. All right, so we're going to recall it back for June 15th.
Yes, sure.
And Ms. Ferguson, if you will again just let them know that there's no need for an informal inquiry. The court is requesting that the evaluation be done.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, on Genevieve Pintor. Who's the attorney for Genevieve Pintor? All right, Pintor, come forward. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, on Dr. John Deaver, nobody answered, so I sent him emails. And
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna call them so that I can get you a specific date.
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, so she's asking, thank you so much. All right. All right, so there's a request for early termination on your case. I'm not inclined to give you early termination. I mean, what you did was awful. And there's a concern with you working with the elderly, which is what I put in here, that you're not allowed to have any work with vulnerable persons, any elderly people. So you want to be terminated early. Why should I do that?
Because, I mean, yes, I understand what I did was wrong. But I've never violated probation. I've never failed a drug test. I hold a steady job. And it's not even in the medical field anymore. I've been doing good. I know what I do. I just want to put this past me and then just move forward with myself, better myself for my kids and myself.
Kids or baby goats? I wish people would stop
My children.
Thank you. I wish people would stop using the word kids for children. The complainant wants to move forward too, but you know why the complainant can't really move forward? They don't have their engagement ring. So where's their engagement ring?
I'm not sure.
Find their engagement ring, and then maybe I'll consider early termination.
It was, I don't know what they said, what happened with it, but I know from my understanding, it was pawned in a pawn shop or something.
Well, this is an engagement ring that you're responsible for. So what do you mean? You're saying you're understanding that it was pawned in the pawn shop. You're acting like some phantom did that. Who pawned it in the pawn shop?
Myself.
All right, so where is their engagement ring? They want their engagement ring. You're before me saying you want your probation terminated early because you're ready to move on with your life. She wants her engagement ring. And since this is an elderly person, that means that engagement ring, they probably had it since who knows where.
And now we get to the real story. This is a probation case involving theft from an elderly victim, and the missing item isn't just money. It's a $15,000 engagement ring that this elderly person trusted her to be around, and she pawned it. The defendant is here asking for early termination of probation while that ring is still missing. Drop a ring if you think that timing alone answers the question.
How long? And that engagement ring cost that person $15,000. And how much did you pawn it for?
I don't even remember. It's been a few years now.
Yeah. See, here's the thing. You commit a crime. And for you, it's like, oh, I'm done. I don't even remember.
No, it's not.
Yeah. I'm not giving you early termination. You're going to do every bit of the 8 years that you're on for this probation. And you need to sit and think about the engagement ring that you stole from an elderly person when they allowed you into their home to take care of them, and you went and pawned it. And you're walking around enjoying your best life, wearing eyelashes that are too long. I don't know why people are doing that. I think that's a new style or something. But no, so you are not going to.
And this is the moment the judge completely shuts the door. 8 full years of probation, no early termination, period, until that engagement ring is returned. The judge's point cuts deep. You commit a crime against a vulnerable elderly person who let you into their home, and now you want to just move on like nothing happened? That's not how accountability works. Until she internalizes what she actually took, the answer stays no.
Be offered probation early. So probation, please tell probation officers to quit submitting me documentation asking for her to be taken off early. I'll only truly consider taking you off probation early if you return her $15,000 engagement ring that you took to some pawn shop and they probably gave you maybe $200 for it. She wants her engagement ring back, and you should want her to have it back. And then until you internalize what you did to her, an elderly person allowing you into their home to work and you stealing their engagement ring, you have learned nothing on probation. That's all. The answer is no.
Judge, may I approach you?
Yes.